has changed. It's becoming strange. We have to come together to keep her forever resilient and strong.
A big part of the GCCA project is our public awareness campaign, and it's important to us and also our donor, the EU. Now, a part of it is, while everybody is technologically savvy, we wanted to ensure that we reach the man on the street, grassroots, our grandparents, everybody who doesn't have a computer. So critical for us was to ensure that whatever public awareness and visibility products we use, everybody would have the ability to see it and to get a better understanding of what it is that the project is doing. Also, we wanted the visibility product that would allow for easy translation of climate change, because it's the hot topic and it can get technical, especially when we look at the thematic areas that the project is covering. When we talk about soil slope stabilization, water harvesting, we needed to ensure that whatever product we were using would translate easily for anybody who was either reading an activity or seeing it or hearing it wherever. So some of the products that we came up with that we felt would target every single person. We have our e-newsletter, which is on the website. We have whiteboard animation. We have a weekly article column that highlights a specific topic. We also have our social media posters, brochures, PSAs, and jingles. So when we talk about the PSA and the jingles, that's for our radio lovers, people who really listen to the radio. So we're looking at our grandparents, people who stay at home most of the time or are just in their vehicle for the majority of the time, like our drivers, etc. So those are some of the things that we considered when we decided to choose these visibility products. When we talk about the brochures and the posters, I mean, people are conducting businesses on a daily basis. So the brochure is something simple that really speaks to a synopsis of the project and what it is that we want to achieve. And the brochures really is just a quick synopsis, again, of various activities. The importance of sustainable land management, because I think oftentimes we take for granted what climate change is. We just think that, oh, it's when there's flooding and etc. But there are a lot of other variables to climate change, and for us, we just wanted to show the different areas that the project is seeking to highlight and to affect when we talk about climate change and sustainable land management. Our social media platform, of course, and the e-newsletter are electronic mediums, because that is for tech-savvy people, the person like myself who are always on their phone and can just get information quickly. Now, when we talk about the whiteboard animation, I think critical for us, as I said before, was we really wanted to make the themes very simple, because even though the aim is for public awareness and visibility, at the same time a key component is seeing if there has been any change in our attitudes and how we view climate change, and whether or not we truly understand what sustainable land management is. So we figured the whiteboard animations would be very unique and simple way of breaking down the technical areas so that people could really understand when we talk about water harvesting, what exactly is that. When we talk about legislative policies, legal framework, you know, what exactly are those things doing to affect changes in their community and their life, and even for the future generation.
This is my land, my island, our home. It's time to come together to keep her forever